Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux app. Today we're gonna take a look into these Linux app, which is the Upscayl. This is where you use the software to upscale your videos or picture. Of course, let's go to the website. It is Upscayl with the YL.org. It is science fiction to reality, because if you have some blurry pictures, you could change it into high definition. Cool, right? As you can see, this is their website. So they have some AI to clear out some blurriness. So upscale your pictures, your pixels, enhance your life. That's AI. So hassle-free, free to use, and easy to use. There are some pricing right here, but let's check out only the desktop. You could download it. It is available in Linux, of course. This is a Linux app, and also available in Mac and Windows. So let's check out the Upscayl right here in Mac OS. Let's go to our software center, or the app center, or the app store, and then let's look for Upscayl. Okay, let's click that one, and yes, we have the Upscayl right here, but you have to pay less than 500. That is in Thai baht. And yes, this is not for free right here in Mac OS, but in Linux it's absolutely for free. It's still the same, it functions like the same, and it also enhances the low resolution into the AI advanced algorithm that will increase your image size and do not lose its quality. Let's head to our Windows to check out the Upscayl application, the Linux app, if it is free or not. We are now here in our Windows, which is our Microsoft Store, and let's try to check out if we have the Upscayl with the Y. Okay, let's click enter and look for that one, if it is gonna be available right here in our Windows. And if there is a fee to pay, I think this is not here in our application. So let's go to the website. So let's look for Upscayl. Okay, there, upscayl.org. Okay, this is their website. Let's check out if we have the download for Windows. As you can see, the three operating system that we have, you have the Linux, that is their official installer. And we also have just witnessed the Mac OS, which has a little bit payment of 500 Thai baht. In Windows, let us try to see if how much is this one. Okay, we are now installing it. I think there is no payment. Supposed to be this is for free and open source, but in Mac OS they decided to pay. I think they are requiring, if you are using the Mac, then you have to pay. But here in Windows, let us see, maybe they have payment or what. And let's try to install it if it is absolutely for free or not. Okay, but in Linux it's absolutely for free. Now let's try to open the folder. Yes, we have the folder, and let's double click this one to install. How many clicks do we need to install the application? So we have to allow it. Yes, and we need to designate where is the folder to be installed. In Linux it's just one click install and everything will be in proper place. But here in Windows, you have to designate where is that folder to be installed. And let's click finish and run. Let's see. Yeah, let's double click that one, English language. Okay, I'll be okay with that. Next.
Hi, welcome to...
No, I don't need that one. Let's get started. Yes. So we still have the same. So Windows and Linux has the same setup. It's absolutely for free, but in Mac OS you have to pay 500 baht for to use for your upscaling your image to high resolution. They have still the same, like the PNG, JPEG, WebP images. So nice. It's the same. So let's go back to the big Linux OS so that we could like demonstrate the whole thing. Okay? So just click right here to download, and you have the AppImage, and then save it like that, and then just wait until it reaches 100%. It's just only 2 minutes into downloading. And of course you could also click this one for your Mac App Store. That is about like below $13 for this application, but of course in Linux it's absolutely for free. Okay, it's already time to open, and then let's go to the Dolphin, which is where I download the app. So I just double click this one, I trusted it, and this is gonna be integrated and run. Yes, this is gonna be assumed as a application, and that's it. It's already there. So let's go to the Upscayl, which is, where can I find that one? It is in the, let me see, it's in the graphics there. Okay, for example, if you want to upscale your picture, for example, I want to upscale this picture because it is a little bit like blurred and a little bit like small. So this is the Iloilo International Airport. This is a actual picture, right? Yeah, and it is not so clear, right? So even the scoot could not be seen, like the letter SCOOT or Cebu. It's a little bit like blurred, and even Air Asia and Philippine Airlines, or even those stuff, we could like upscale this one. So let me close that one. I already tested it, but I want to demonstrate it again. So let's upscale this one. I just drag it right here into the platform, and the image will be selected like that. Standard, double if you want to have double, upscale it to 5, and it is still the same. And let's try to upscale it. Let's try if this will be clearer, because I have the picture already right here, but I want to have again to demonstrate. So let's wait until it reaches 100%. So if you're wondering, right here in Linux, all of our applications are free. We don't really like, pay for the exact amount. We just donate if that app is really good. If it is really, really good, that is, you could donate a little bit, like more, like maybe $20. That's already like okay. That's already big for the developers. And come to think of it, it's just only like donation. You don't need to pay like $30 for an application, or maybe 500 or something like that. So yeah, this is where the community help each other. And if there is a malicious software, of course we also reported it, and we tried to kick out that particular app in the store or the repository. So that's how the community helping each other. Now it is 45%. Let's wait. Oh, now 50%. Let's wait. We're halfway down there. Okay, we have our picture of our Iloilo International Airport in the Philippines. So let's try to see. Ooh, wow, that is so clear. See, this one, Cebu Pacific, is now so clear. Wow, okay. Even this Cebu Pacific. There. Let me... Okay. There. The difference between the upscale and the non-upscale. Even the aprons right here, it's so clear. There. You could like see. It is much better. Okay, so let me see if that's right here. Yes, this is it here. So cool. Now we have a really HD. How about this one? I have the microbit, so I want to make this one clearer. Okay, let's drag it right here, upscale it, and then I'll just gonna do the standard upscale. Let's wait. Our second picture. The power of Linux apps and its operating system. Alright, so we have our upscale picture. So is there some... Yes, there is. It's a little bit like blurred right here, but when I use the upscale, it is much clearer. Even in this area, look, there, it is much clearer. So I think I could like recommend this one for those who have like a blurry type of picture. It will not be like perfect, but it will be like your alternative to salvage your blurry picture. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. And that's for our Upscale, a Linux app. It's absolutely for free for Linux, but in Mac, well, it's gonna be a little bit like with pay. So if you want to enjoy free application, then you could like always opted right here in our Linux. It is absolutely for free, and you could always look it right here in the official app stores. Okay, do not go to the shady type of website. So yes, if you want some clearer pictures, then Upscale, it's for you. Free for Linux, but of course you have to pay in Windows and in Mac. If you say it is unfair, well, this is the developer's haven. Linux is a developer's haven. It always like test every application, test every operating system. That's including your cell phones, because you're using actually Linux. So if you have some question, feel free to ask me. Write it in the comments down below. Supercharge your image with AI. Make it from blur to clear. That's it for Upscale Linux app. I'm Blair, your science, computer, mathematics, and engineering teacher. Bye for now, and see you in the next adventure of Linux app. Today's episode, Upscale. Ciao. Let's close.